Yeah, welcome to the Nati Guide. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to watch quality videos on YouTube. First of all, you'd have to log into your YouTube account and select the video that you would want to watch. After selecting the video that you would like to watch, you would navigate your mouse to settings. When you click on settings, you would have some pop-up options like annotations, subtitles, playback speed, and quality. You would click on quality. When you click on quality, we have some options. We have 144 pixels, 360, 720, and 1080. This is the highest. So you would click on this, the highest, to increase the quality of the video that you are watching. This is all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share.